everyone. We're going to write this rational expression in simplest terms. C cannot equal T, and simplifies. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the difference of squares, where this is going to equal C minus D times C plus D. Or you can do it the other way. You can do C plus D, C minus D. All right. And then we're going to factor the trinomial like this. So it's like X and Y, but we have D and C. So we have a D here and a D here. And we have a C. One's negative and one's positive because this is negative. So we need a positive here. So I'm going to put the 2 here and the minus here. Now, if you want to FOIL this back out, you can check it by, the first works, D times D, and the last works. That's going to be negative 2C squared. So if you check out the middle part, you get 2CD minus CD, and that just gives you positive CD. So we did factor it right, and then we just have to simplify. Now, anytime you have this thing right here, where you have the minus, but the variables have changed, that means it equals -1. And I'll explain that in a minute. But so we can cancel this out and call that -1. So you have -1 times C plus D divided by D plus 2C. And apparently the answer is not there, so we're going to distribute the -1 and then have D plus 2C. So our answer is 3, and I'm going to explain this part. Anytime you have this flip-flop thing going on, all you have to do is multiply both the numerator and the denominator by -1. Because -1 divided by -1 is just 1. So we're just rearranging everything. So I'm going to just keep the -1 on top and distribute the -1 in the denominator. So that's negative T plus C. Or plus C. And then when you change it around, you get -1, C minus D. And then I'm going to change that around to C minus D. So that cancels out, and that's why you get your -1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.